Turmeric water at night, 10 surprising benefits. Doctors often overlook turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in cooking, is renowned for its medicinal properties, largely attributed to its active compound, curcumin. While many people are aware of its health benefits, few understand the advantages of consuming turmeric water, especially at night. This article delves into 10 remarkable benefits of drinking turmeric water before bed that you might not hear from your doctor. Watching promotes better sleep. Turmeric has been shown to have a calming effect on the mind and body. Drinking turmeric water at night can help reduce anxiety and stress levels, promoting a restful night's sleep. The soothing properties of this golden beverage can aid in unwinding after a long day. Supports digestive health. Turmeric is known for its digestive benefits, including reducing bloating and gas. Consuming turmeric water at night can soothe the digestive system, aiding in the recovery process overnight and ensuring a comfortable start to the next day. 3. Boosts immune system function. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking turmeric water can help enhance your immune system, enabling your body to fight off infections more effectively, especially during cold seasons. 4. Promotes skin health. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric extend to skin health as well. Regular intake of turmeric water can help reduce acne, dark circles, and other skin blemishes, giving you a more radiant complexion by morning. Enhances liver detoxification. Turmeric is known to have detoxifying properties, particularly for the liver. When consumed at night, it may help support liver function and detoxification processes, allowing your body to cleanse itself as you sleep. 7. Aids weight management. Drinking turmeric water before bed can help boost metabolism and support weight management. Curcumin can promote fat burning, making it a beneficial evening ritual for those looking to maintain or lose weight. 8. Regulates blood sugar levels. Turmeric has been shown to have a positive effect on blood sugar regulation. Drinking turmeric water before bed can enhance overall mental clarity, helping you wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. 10. Supports heart health. Turmeric may promote cardiovascular health by improving blood circulation and reducing cholesterol levels. Drinking turmeric water at night can be a heart-friendly habit that contributes to long-term well-being. Conclusion: incorporating turmeric water into your evening routine could yield numerous health benefits that many healthcare professionals might not emphasize. From promoting better sleep to supporting overall health, the potential advantages of this golden elixir are impressive. However, always consult a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have existing health conditions. By harnessing the power of turmeric, you might just improve your health in ways you never expected.